The nVent PYROTENAX Power Stripper Toolkit is designed for stripping of nVent PYROTENAX copper sheath mineral insulated cables with diameters of 0.543 inches and smaller. The power stripper head must be inserted into select Milwaukee M18 series cable stripper tools. A power stripper tool head adapter bushing, and power tool guide bushing are required for cable stripping. A complete list of kit contents, tools and accessories, replacement parts, and important warnings need to be read first. Always remove the battery pack before adding or removing parts. Unscrew the top screw from the power tool head and remove the square nut it is screwed into. Using the provided 3/32 inch Allen key, unscrew the bolt at the back of the depth gauge and remove the black handle. Push the depth gauge out of the power tool head and set all removed parts aside. These parts will be needed to restore the power tool's original functionality. The power tool is now ready to accept the MI power stripper head. The cable diameter can be found printed on the cable. This information is needed to select the correct bushings. Choose the correct head adapter bushing and guide bushing according to the cable sheath diameter to be removed. See Table 1 in the installation instructions for details. Using the blade locking screw, loosen the blade and temporarily rotate it out of the way, using the provided 5/32 inch Allen key if necessary. Insert the selected head bushing into the tool adapter head, chamfered end first. Bring the blade back to its original position. Insert the selected guide bushing to the back of the base tool. Refer to your termination kit installation manual to determine your strip length X. Place a second mark 5 inches, 12.7 centimeters, from this first mark. Grip the cable firmly with the hand vise at the second mark so as to make the final cut against a stop which is square to the cable. Set the blade cutting depth by following these steps. Loosen the blade locking screw and using the provided 5/32 inch Allen key, adjust the blade position with the blade adjustment screw. Set the cutting edge near the conductor without covering it. Hand tighten the blade locking screw. Insert the head adapter assembly into the power tool and rotate to lock. Using the blade locking screw, loosen the blade and temporarily rotate it out of the way using the provided 5/32 inch Allen key if necessary. Bring the blade back to its original position. Unlock the power tool so that it can rotate. Gently apply pressure towards the cable being stripped while pressing lightly on the power tool trigger in order to start cutting the sheath. Verify that the sheath is fully cut and that the blade is not cutting the conductor. Once stripping looks proper, fully press the trigger while applying gentle pressure towards the cable being stripped. See the installation manual for instructions on how to easily correct any stripping problems and tips and examples of proper cutting. Your cable is now properly stripped and ready for termination. Always remove the battery pack before adding or removing parts. Ensure the MI power stripper head and guide bushing have been removed from the tool. If head is on the tool, depress the bushing latch to release the stripper head. Insert the depth gauge from the front of the power tool, ensuring the depth scale is right side up. Push it all the way until it comes out the back of the tool. Push the black handle back in from the back of the tool and using the provided 3/32 inch Allen key, secure the bolt at the back of the depth gauge. Position the square nut under the depth gauge. Tighten the screw from the top of the power tool into the square nut. The power tool has now been restored to its original functionality. Thank you for watching. Please contact your local representative for more information or visit us at nVent.com/PYROTENAX.
nVent. We connect and protect. Thanks.